Welcome back to Exploring Enchantments. Today we are at the Fairfield Marriott in Anaheim, right across the street from Disneyland entrance. So we're gonna take you along with us and show you the walk, how close it is, and then also give you a tour of the room. So we're on the 7th floor. You can see over there the monorail, so the Disneyland entrance is going to be over here on the left. So we're going to walk down and do that walk for you. But we're right next to the Courtyard Marriott, and they have like a little water park, but that's not for our hotel. That's the other one. So here's our room, boys.
It gives me spooky vibes.
Why?
Because it's a little small and reminds me of this hotel called the Clown Hotel, which is haunted, and it looks exactly like this. This creeps me out too, because guess what? There's blood on that AC. No, seriously, there's blood.
Where?
Look, you see it right there? There's no blood. No, look closer.
Got some artwork here.
Look.
This is a small room, and I had asked for an upgrade, and they did upgrade us. That's why we have the view. But this seems to be like a standard size bath, shower. There we go. Just a small little sink here. It's a very, very small room. I don't know, just going from the Westin to here is a big change. Just a big change for us, but it is convenient, close walk for the boys, so yeah.
Right, I'm just chilling. Ethan's driving. See if I can turn this thing around. Oh, I can't. Oh,